How to create a filter. So we're going to create a filter now, and the easiest way to do that is to open an email and click on the More button. When the drop-down opens up, you're going to go down to Filter Message, and the default option is to show the filter from. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to filter all of these emails from Jenny Shih. And I'm not changing anything on here. That's all I'm doing is filtering it from her email address. I'm going to create filter, and the second page I'm going to go down to apply the label, hit choose the label, and we'll notice that I want to go ahead and add a new label and create Jenny as a client. So I'm going to click on new label. I'm going to write Jenny, and I'm going to nest it under client, and there go. I've created the label. Now the next thing to do is to click on also apply filter to 3 matching conversations. You might have this if there is any emails from this person. If not, it won't be there, and then you just hit create filter. Now you'll see that the new label is listed here, and if you scroll to your left side of your screen under clients, you see Jenny is listed there. I can click on it, and all 3 emails I have from her are listed right here. I can go back over here and say I want to color code this label. I can just scroll over the top of it and see the arrow drop down, and I can click on any color that I want, and now it's green. I can go back to it again, and you can hide so you don't see the label. I can edit the label, or I can remove the label. And I can go back to my inbox, and now you'll see that it says clients/Jenny on this email. The email did not go anywhere because all I did was create a filter for any new emails that come in will come in and have this label on it. And that's how you create a basic filter.